Hi, let me introduce you to one of the couples in my new book, Betrayal and Forgiveness. Meet Beth and Albert. In his email to me asking for a couple session, Albert told me that his wife Beth had announced that she wanted to separate after 40 years of marriage to explore a relationship with someone at work she had become emotionally close with. Albert felt completely blindsided by this. We met for 2 sessions and Beth decided to move out. A couple of months later, Beth requested that we meet again. The man she had been involved with, sexually as well as emotionally, she now confirmed, had dumped her, at least in part because he sensed that Beth wasn't emotionally out of her marriage. Beth realized she still loved Albert and wanted to work on the marriage, and Albert agreed to go back to couples therapy with her. Both Beth and Albert recognized that simply going back to how things were before was impossible. They realized that they had never let each other know about building resentments over the years and hoped they could rebuild trust by opening up to each other. Check out the book for 11 more couples and to see how it turned out for Beth and Albert.